Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert cups to ounces. This conversion is incredibly useful in cooking and baking, especially when you're following recipes that use different units of measurement. Let's get a bit familiar with our units first. A cup is a standard volume measurement in cooking, primarily used in the United States. An ounce, or oz, is a smaller unit of volume, also commonly used in the US, especially for liquids. Here's the crucial part. 1 cup is equivalent to 8 ounces. So, to convert cups to ounces, you simply multiply the number of cups by 8. For instance, if you have a recipe that requires 3 cups of water and you want to know how many ounces that is, just multiply 3 cups by 8. This gives you 24 ounces. Let's do another example. If you need to measure 1.5 cups of milk, to find out how many ounces that is, multiply 1.5 cups by 8, which equals 12 ounces. And that's basically it. Just remember, 1 cup equals 8 ounces. With this simple conversion, you can easily switch between cups and ounces, making sure all your measurements are spot on for your cooking and baking needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions for more easy and practical conversion guides and math tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.